Hello students, welcome to my channel RD Chemistry. In this video, let us see the tricks to remember edge lengths and angles of unit cell. We know that there are 7 types of crystal system which can be remembered as C, T, O, M, H, R, T. CTO, MHRT. So you can remember like this: Custom Tax Officer of Maharashtra, MHRT, Maharashtra. Okay. So there are 7 types of crystal system. So let me write types here. Then you have got edge lengths. We have got edge lengths. Then you have got axial angles. Axial angles. Axial angles. So the first one is the C. C stand for cubic. C stand for cubic. Second one is T. T stand for tetragonal. T stand for tetragonal. Tetragonal. Third one O stands for orthorhombic. 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 Fourth one is M. M stand for monoclinic. M stand for monoclinic. Fifth one is H. H stand for hexagonal. H stand for hexagonal. Hexagonal. Sixth one R. R stand for rhombohedral. Stand for rhombohedral. And this rhombohedral is also known as trigonal. It is also called as the trigonal. And finally, the seventh one we have got called as the triclinic. It is known as the triclinic. Now, we'll have to write down the edge lengths in terms of A, B, and C. So what I'll do, I'll write A is equal to B is equal to C everywhere. Okay. So let me write down A is equal to B is equal to C everywhere. Right? Okay. A is equal to B is equal to C. A is equal to B is equal to C. In the case of first one, A is equal to B is equal to C. All equal to each other. Tetragonal. A is equal to B but not equal to C. Then orthorhombic. A is not equal to B, not equal to C. Correct? Repeat the same thing in the reverse order. A not equal to B, not equal to C. Repeat. Reverse order. A is equal to B, not equal to C. Next one. A is equal to B, is equal to C. Correct. Last one. Remember triclinic, not equal to each other. Okay. So remember monoclinic. Okay. 2 are unequal. 2 are unequal. Correct. Here 1 is unequal. 1 is unequal. Here none of them are unequal. None of them equal. So remember 0, 1, 2, 2, 1, 0. Reverse order. Last one triclinic. None of them are equal to each other. You can remember 2 here. Got it? 0, 1, 2, 2, 1, 0 and 2. Got it? Right. Next. Axial angles are represented as alpha, beta, gamma. So for the first 3, cubic, tetragonal and orthorhombic. Remember for the first 3, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. Same thing. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. Next one. Monoclinic. Mono. Remember mono. Mono means 1. One of them is not equal to 90 degree. So remember mono. Remember beta not equal to 90 degrees. Remaining alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. Got it? Next one. Hexagonal. 2 of them equal to 90 degree. Remember alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Remember gamma for hexagonal is equal to 120 degrees. Hexagonal, remember 120 gamma. Next one, rhombohedral, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma but not equal to 90 degrees. Last one, triclinic, remember alpha not equal to beta not equal to gamma. None of the axial angles are equal to each other and not even equal to 90 degrees. Got it? Right? Now see the entire list. Cubic is the most symmetric one. Remember, cubic is the most symmetry, or cubic is the most ordered one. Most ordered one. And the triclinic, last one, is the most disordered one. Triclinic is the most disordered one. Most disordered one. Right? Clear? Hope you like this video. Please do share, subscribe the RD Chemistry YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.